G'day, how's it going today? If you're ever driving around in your old Kia Cerato here and you get to the shops and you find out that your key fob has gone flat in your pocket and you're like, oh no, I can't get in the car now, what am I going to do? Can't get home. Well, good on our friends at Kia because they've made a little workaround for you. If you go to your driver's side door handle and look at this, you've got like a little secret squirrel little thing there. Get your key, flick it out and you pop it up in there and you just give it a little bit of a wiggle and this pops off and look at this. Ready? Oh my goodness, it's like Christmas. Look, little sneaky. You put your key in there and you turn it and then oh no! We gotta get that! How do you turn this off? Oh, run! The cops will get us! Don't forget to grab your piece of plastic and put that back on in. Otherwise all your neighbours will know your secret trick. Although with the alarm going off, the whole world's gonna know. I don't know how we get around that one, but I guess we're gonna have to make another video. But anyway, good luck. You'll be able to get home to the shops now.